Can and could. This verb only has two forms, a present form, can, and a past and conditional form, could. The verb that follows it is in the infinitive without to. I can ride a bicycle. I could swim when I was 4. In other tenses, we use be able to. Present tense. Affirmative. I can. You can. He can. She can. It can. We can. You can. They can. Negative. I cannot. I can't. You cannot. You can't. He cannot. He can't. She cannot. She can't. It cannot. It can't. We cannot. We can't. You cannot. You can't. They cannot. They can't. Interrogative. Can I? Can you? Can he? Can she? Can it? Can we? Can you? Can they? I can speak English. I can't swim. Can you drive? Past and conditional tenses. Affirmative. I could. You could. He could. She could. It could. We could. You could. They could. I could read when I was 6. Negative. I couldn't. You couldn't. He couldn't. She couldn't. It couldn't. We couldn't. You couldn't. They couldn't. I couldn't play tennis yesterday. Interrogative. Could I? Could you? Could he? Could she? Could it? Could we? Could you? Could they? Could you go swimming on Sunday? Future tense. We use will be able to. Sorry, but I don't think I'll be able to come to your party. Past participle. We use been able to. Margaret is ill. She hasn't been able to finish her homework.